What are you doing?
Doing thank you notes.
Who do you think is the best employee here?
Justin Lyman. Len! He's here at 6 a.m.
Hey, Chris. What do you do here?
I'm the parts manager.
What time do you normally get here?
Usually around 5 a.m.
What time does Justin get here?
Supposed to be, I thought 6, but he usually gets here around 7:30 or so.
Hey, do you know where Justin is?
He is back here, right here.
Hey, Justin. What's your name?
Justin Lyman,
What's your position?
service manager.
What time do you normally get in the mornings?
About 6.
Who else is here with you?
Oh, Nate, he's usually sleeping in the car.
Hey, what's your name?
Nathan,
What do you do here?
I'm a technician.
Who's your favorite salesman?
My favorite salesman would have to be Phil Booth.
Hey, Phil. What's your name?
Phil Booth.
What do you do here?
I'm in sales.
Who do you think is the best salesperson here?
Look at the record.